Bible, a book of timeless wisdom, spiritual guidance, and profound truths, carries within its pages verses that transcend time and space. 1. Lamentations 4 verse 22 is a beacon during despair. Traditionally attributed to Jeremiah, the book reflects on the fall of Jerusalem in 586 BC, a time of great suffering for Israel. Verse 22, "He will no more carry thee away into captivity," symbolizes the end of suffering, a promise of liberation from despair with he to God. It's a divine assurance that the period of suffering is over, a message that God won't let his people be carried into captivity, a sign that even in darkness, a promise of a brighter future exists. In a nutshell, it's a verse of liberation and hope. To summarize, this video has delved into the depth of Lamentations 4 verse 22, a verse that offers hope and liberation during times of suffering. It has explored its context, its meaning, and its significance, revealing its timeless message of hope and freedom. Remember, even in the darkest times, there's a promise of a brighter future, a promise encapsulated in this verse. Hold on to that hope, embrace that promise, and let it guide you towards a future of freedom and happiness.